Hello guys, hope you all are doing very well, staying home and following the rules. So today in journal, I am going to tell you about depression. As you already know, my kids, I and you, we together learn a subject, a beautiful subject in a most beautiful way. And today's topic is quite interactive, quite impressive, and also we will learn much more things in a much more better way. So let's come to the topic. As you know, my subject is psychology, and today's topic is depression. As you all know, I am getting so many questions from all over. That's what is depression, how we can, what are the symptoms of the depressions, and how one can get over the depression. So in this lecture, I will try to cover maximum questions. My only request to all of you will be just be with me and follow the lecture. Okay. So what the word depression means? When we discuss about the word depression, when we discuss about the word stress, when we discuss about the word tension, is all these three associated with each other? Are all the three words combined or clubbed together? There are n number of thoughts which may be answered in n number of ways. So apart from all these things, apart from wasting our time in n number of thoughts, let us go in much more simpler way to understand the topic. The psychologist and psychology define depression as a group of conditions associated with the elevation or lowering of person's mood. As we all know, dears, that we are the human beings and we have different feelings. For a certain time, some activities are much liked by us, but the same activity at different time are disliked by them. How does it happens? Question number 2 will strike our mind is like this: how we can say the person is depressed or not? Question number 3: what are the ways to deal with a depressed person? Are the depressed person harmful to us or society? Can they harm themselves or can they harm other also who are in contact with them? So let us discuss. So dear bachcha log, as we know that depression is a psychological term in which we are talking about state of mind. Now let me clear one thing in the starting of the lecture itself. Mind and brain are the two different concepts, bachcha log. Don't get confused between what is a mind and what is a brain. In this topic we are going to cover about state of mind. Is clear? We are going to cover about state of mind. So the state of mind consists of number of feelings, and we have number of positive feelings, we have number of negative feelings, we have some things to state about, we have some things inferior about something. Sometimes we get happy with some incident and sometimes we get sad or lower also. That's quite normal with every human being. Even I suffer with the lower side of the mood swings, I suffer with the higher side of the mood swings. But nowadays, during this pandemic, this word is getting quite familiar with everybody, because every now and then, even small kids going to a school or office personnel or even a person who is sitting at the home, they are easily getting acquainted with the word depression. So it also creates a question mark that do we really care about our mental health? Do we really care about the things and surrounding around us, near about us? How does the surrounding help us? How does the people help us? How does the thought help us? I always prefer to all my students to refer the word WATCH. W means watch your word. A stands for watch your action. T stands for watch your thought. C stands for watch your creativity. H stands for watch your heart. If you follow the formula, you will never ever get depressed. Okay. Sometimes what happens, bachcha log, ki with some incident, as you already know, there are different parts of minds: subconscious, unconscious, and conscious mind. These are the three different parts of the mind. Whatever thoughts is going on, whatever thoughts have been just passed away, and the thoughts which are deep back in the history. Sometimes people may also questions that when we go to the sleep or in late night we get a dream, and because of that dream we get scared of or we start crying. That may be a sign of depression, but not exact depression. Actually, what is the key behind that? think that dreams are whatever we think or visualize before we go to the bed. That's what our brain frame in a pictorial manner, and it represents when we sleep. Now, let us see about what are the common types of the depression. First type is clinical depression. Second type is persistent depressions. Third type is bipolar depression, bipolar grade 1 and bipolar grade 2 depressions. And the last but not the least type is postnatal depression. So one by one we are going to discuss about different types of depressions in a very sophisticated way. So let us discuss about clinical depression. Bacha log, this is very important to note that clinical depression is the most common type of depression among all this depression. What is happening? As we all hear about the word mood swing. What is a mood swing? When we are happy about some things, we are in much more easier way. We think, yes, आज तो पूरी दुनिया अपनी है, हाँ? We are flying over the sky. But what happens when something is not going as per our expectation? We feel sad. Right or wrong? Right. Same way, our brain and body, when they start working, when we think about a one particular topic again and again, sometimes we get negative thoughts, and that negative thoughts sometimes pull us to do the positive things. That is the first step that you are stepping into the word depression. So what the clinical depression states it is characterized by the depressed mood or low interest activity causing significant impairment. Now, I will tell you about some general symptoms. Try to watch out all your surrounding. If you find anybody like this, please try to consult the person, or you can also take help of me. I am always available 24/7. The first thing, the person who is getting into the depression, he will need interest. He feel very low interest in the usual activities. He start living alone. Sometimes he stops even talking to other people. Sometimes he lock himself in a particular room. He say he likes the darkness. He want to live in a dark room. These are some common significance. Second thing, bachalo, the social media. Yes, you might be astonished by hearing the word social media. Social media is also a cause of depression. Now you will say, sir, how social media? If we are watching the video on YouTube, it is also part of social media. Yeah, right. But the thing is, when we watch a video on a YouTube and when we surf internet for different websites, what we are actually doing? We are acquiring the different thoughts. The teenagers or the college going kids, they does not know what are the contents useful for them, what are the contents which are not useful for them. Nowadays you can find number of negative comments, number of negative things going on social media. This is somehow imparted on the brain. This is how it will affect. I'll tell you, there are so many people addicted to their cell phones nowadays in much more manner that even for 10 minutes also they can't live apart from the phone. So somehow it is a bell that you may get depression. Second thing, if we discuss about mood swings, multiple mood swings, generally the mood swings is characterized generally in the females more frequently compared to male. What the mood swing is? Mood swing is sudden change in the moods. At a frequent of second you are happy, and after frequent of second you are sad. That is what we call as mood swings. Mood swing will really spoil your inter and intrapersonal communication skills with yourself, with your society, with your parents, with the teachers, everywhere. So we have to watch out our mood swings. Third thing to avoid this type of depression is try to always learn new things. Try to watch yourself. I will tell you one thing, there is nobody in the world who knows you better than you. Try to find out what is best in you and go in that particular path. You will never get depressed. Second type of depression is persistent depression. This depression is quite continued for the long term, maybe 6 months or 1 year also. But this depression does not cause much more harm to the body or the person. But yet, depression is harmful, as you all know. The person may try to kill himself. Nowadays, the 3-4 major reasons of depression or persistent depression is, number one is the breakup. It's a very big reason. Nowadays, the kid, actually they don't know the meaning of the soulmate and the concept behind it. they just want to fall in love because it's like quite fashion, and when one of them have obligate thoughts, then something happen like breakup and patch up and all that things, and because of that anyone will suffer from depression. The best part is the one is suffering from depression and other is enjoying. See the beauty. Second is bipolar depression. Bipolar depression is a depression in which mood swing ranging from the depressive low to mind highs. Here what happens in bipolar depression stage 1, the person who is suffering from bipolar depression stage 1, he suffers from multiple mood swings. Sudden of the moment he will talk normally to you, but your one word can make him much more angry, that he can even scold on you, he can even beat you, he can even do harm to you. So this type of person are suffering from bipolar depression. The next type of depression is bipolar depression stage 2. In this what is happened here, by depressive and harmonic disorders occurs in the body, means they start feeling that I am inferior, I can't do anything, my pain is the dullest pain, I am the saddest person, nobody loves me, my parents didn't love me, I don't have any friend, I can't do anything. This type of thoughts when occurs continuously in one's mind, we can say that particular stage the person is suffering from bipolar depression part 2 or stage 2. The last depression, it's very rarely seen but quite danger because it's a postnatal depression. It occurs after childbirth to the mothers. If during that period the mother faces any kind of stress that may affect the child and also that may affect to the woman who is giving a newborn. Thank you. That's all about the depression. And wait, don't go. I have something new for you. This was about depression. Please add on one thing. The thing is, like if you meet any person who is suffering from any disorders like this, then